Hey, welcome back, and in this episode I'm going to talk to you about how to change simple chords for adult beginners. Why? Because traditional chord shapes are hard on adult beginner hands, and we're going to look at 4 simple shapes that you can start using today. They're easy to change, easy to play, and get you into playing songs almost instantly, and why we should consider using a capo to have access to more songs. All right, and if you stick around to the end, I'm going to share a free gift with you. All right, so let's get into it. Our hands are designed to hold, grip, and pull things. That's what we've been using them for decades for. And when it comes to learning guitar, we've got to bend them into crazy little shapes that, you know, they're not used to. So traditional chord shapes have you requiring a lot of finger dexterity and a lot of finger gymnastics to perform them. All right, so we're going to cover that with 4 easy change shapes that you can use today and start playing songs, if not almost instantly, I'd say today. All right, and we're going to look at why you should consider using a capo, one of these little things, and so you can play more songs. That's it in a nutshell. And I'm going to share with you a few examples of what you can do with these easy change shapes and get you into playing songs. All right, let's get into it. Traditional chords, they're tough. There's a lot of finger gymnastics going on to change from one chord to the other. The C and the F chord, they're very tricky, and they can stop you playing songs for months. Okay, I've had students in the past that I taught them this way when I first started, and they were still not playing a song after several months. All right, so we want to bypass all that by using easy change chord shapes that are very user-friendly for adult hands, because as we get older, the hands get a little bit slower and they just need time to warm up and get ready for all these bigger chord shapes. Now, these easy change shapes that I'm going to show you, hey, they sound great and get you in playing songs right away. Now, I know a lot of traditional teachers out there don't like what I say about this, right? And if you go and look at any Marty Schwartz video, as great as Marty is, he'll get you doing some open chords straight away, even though it's an easy beginner guitar song to get you going. All right. The problem is, most people have problems for months getting these changes working so they sound good. This circumvents that and gets you into playing songs straight away. All right, so here's our G shape. Fingers in position there. The C chord, all we're going to do is keep fingers 3 and 4 there. That's not going to move. All right, and you just got to drop your second finger down 1 string towards the floor. So on the 5th string there, the 3rd fret, and strum down. All right, and you got a C shape. So that's our first 2 shapes. All right, our 3rd shape, we'll look at an E minor shape. Our first finger, this time, is on the 2nd fret there of the 5th string, and you just got to strum through all 6 strings for your E minor chord. Our D shape, fingers 3 and 4, not moving, they're staying planted, and our first finger is moving from the E minor shape at the 5th string down to the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and we're doing the 4 string strums there like a traditional D chord. Okay, so we got D chord, E minor, we're going back in reverse here, C, and then the G. Okay. The good thing about these 4 chord shapes, we can play them in many orders and get many different types of songs. Let's just use Pearl Jam's for Last Kiss, for example. All right. All we're going to do is G, E minor, C, D, and it's basically one progression at one measure at a time. So 4 beats before we change chords. All right. Now, all I'm going to get you to do, I'm not going to get you to strum just yet. I'm going to get you used to playing the progression first. All right, so with 1 strum on beat 1, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat it. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And we can find a lot of songs in the key of G or E minor, and that's a lot of fun. However, a lot of your favorite songs aren't in those two keys. So even if we learned those chord shapes in open position, the traditional open position shapes, when it comes to a new key, like as songs are written in, we're going to have to learn new shapes. However, with these 4 simple shapes, if we want to play like a song like Stand By Me, and it's in the key of A, we just use our G shape. When the night has come, E minor shape, the land is dark, and the C goes up to the D before back to the G. Alright, so we've got like Stand By Me right there. I mean, we're in the key of A, so we don't have to learn a whole bunch of new shapes. The reason I show beginners these shapes to get going is because we can concentrate on the strumming hand. Alright, so for like that wagon wheel, after I get people working the chord progression, I should say, once we get that, we can start adding a bit more color on this hand. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And from there, what we do is add the strum pattern. Let's say we want to learn a song like Tom Petty's Learning to Fly. Okay, great song. Unfortunately, it's got F and a C chord in it, which sounds great, but for adult beginner hands, not so friendly, because they're the hardest shapes that we can do. Right? They take a lot of work to get. So we pull out our trusty capo, put it up on fret 5, and this time we play the C shape first, to the G, to the E minor shape, to the D shape. We're just going to go add that, it's just a simple down up pattern all the way through. Look at that, one finger is changing the chords. And we've got this strumming pattern going. Now, you will not be able to do that with the open chords. They make it sound so clean and fluid. Okay, now guitar teachers hate me for this, but it's not about me, or it shouldn't be about them. It should be about, hey, let's get people playing songs from day one as quickly as possible, as easily as possible. And these 4 chord shapes help you do just that. All right, you could play a song like Coldplay's Yellow. That's not yellow. But look at the stars, look how they shine for you. You get the idea. I'm just giving you examples here. What if it was something like you want to play Small Town by John Cougar Mellencamp? B, it's in the key of B. It's really tough to play for a beginner. Okay, and we can keep moving this up or down the fretboard wherever we like. And it doesn't matter, we can play those 4 chord shapes in any order and get this strumming hand working so you can play songs. And here's the real beauty of it. Right? Unless you're in a family, you've been born into a family of professional musicians and you've grown up with music all your life, like people around you playing, right? Unless that's happened, most of the people that you're going to be playing songs to and for don't really know anything about the guitar. They're probably not even musicians. They love music, but not so much know anything about an instrument. All they want to hear is something that sounds familiar to them. Okay, so we're just going to use that up and down and get going. All right, have fun with it. Okay, hopefully you've got a lot of value out of that, and you can see how these simple shapes are easy to change and you can get going and playing songs. And if you'd like to know what songs to play, I do have a free gift for you. Okay, and it's my ultimate 4-chord songbook. It's really not a songbook, it's a video course, all right? So we learn one song a month where I break down all the song into tiny bite-sized pieces. We're using these easy change shapes that we've talked about and working on the strumming pattern. And yes, you will need a capo for some of the songs, but over the period of 10 months, you're going to learn 10 new songs, and it's just paced at a pace that is right for you. Whether that makes sense or not, I don't know. All right, but like, it's very simple to use. You get a 1-page chord chart with it, nice and easy to follow, and it is free. All you need to do is just follow this link, 4-chord songbook, and just drop your name and email there, and you can get instant access to it. As I said, it comes in a video format, so we need to get it to you, and have fun with that. All right, folks, I'll see you on the next one. Oh, if you like help with your strumming, I recommend watching this video next. All right, see you soon.